with semi-trucks, 100 miles of highway left. I've been working for the man, trying to make a dollar stretch, keep on trucking when the weather's bad. Keep on trucking even when I crash. If you got it, then a trucker brought it. Better treat them right, even when the hours get hard. Keep on trucking all night. Long hours and longer roads, ain't no stopping me now. Even when I'm feeling low, I gotta keep them wheels on the ground, keep on trucking. I gotta make my money back. Keep on trucking even when I crash. If you got it, then a trucker brought it. Better treat them right, even when the hours get hard. Keep on trucking all night.
It's 3:15 on the lost highway, stuck behind the wheel with the midnight blues. I'm a truck driving daddy on a white line, pulling double overtime to get back home to you. Smokey's on the radio, he's 100 miles ahead. He says coops are all clear and the road is open wide. Gonna hammer down to 52 and put the pedal to the metal. Gonna be home in time to have a drink with you tonight. Singing, oh Lord, I'm so tired. I've been drinking black coffee, smoking Marlboro Reds. The good old boy network, they're my only friends. But I do what I gotta do to keep the family fed. I'm a truck driving daddy. She's got long black hair and she's sitting at the bar, and she's wearing cut-off jeans and her daddy's old boot. When I walk in, I see that look in her eyes. I know what she wants to do, and I'm gonna do it too. When we get back home, we're gonna start another fire. I can feel it in my bones, she's ready to ride. We'll be honky-tonkin', bawling and squalling, then it's back on the road, gotta drive all night. So tired, I've been drinking black coffee, smoking Marlboro Reds. The good old boy network, they're my only friends. But I do what I gotta do to keep the family fed. I'm a truck